Um, yeah. Pero I think sa ngayon, if you want to be a VA, lalo na project manager, I want you to consider learning ClickUp, kasi I think of all the project management tools na naka-experience ako, I think ClickUp yung pinaka maganda sa lahat. So I highly suggest take time to study it, and then we will see. Meron ding pala, so free certification si ClickUp. Puntahan nyo lang sa website niya. Meron silang certification sa ClickUp Academy. Next is time tracking and invoicing. Okay, gusto ko tong topic na to. Since you might work hourly, lalo na sa agency, you need to know what the time tracker is. Ang pinaka-common is Hubstaff, Clockify, Timeproof ng OLJ, or Upwork desktop application. So, nagtitake yan ng screenshot sa screen mo probably every 10 to 15 minutes to make sure na you are working. So, taking screenshots is normal in this industry. It is to make sure that you are working and also your proof that you are working. Bali, ini-screenshot, makikita sa platform na nag-work ka ng client mo at makikita mo din sa sarili mo na kung ano yung nare-register online sa tinatrabaho mo. It also tracks your mouse movement and keyboard keystrokes and often how you use it. Okay. I think Hubstaff do this. Tina-track niya, nagtatype ka ba sa keyboard mo at saka gumagalaw ba yung mouse mo every 10 minutes. It displays your productivity percentage at the end of your shift. It usually screenshots every 10 to 15 minutes and always aim for 70% productivity sa mga time tracker. 70% is acceptable. 60% productivity, meaning 40% of the time wala kang ginagawa. Baka pagdudahan ka na ng client mo or yung agency. Pero always aim for 70, guys. 70. Always aim for 70. Ito yung itsura ng Hubstaff. Ayan, nakikita ilang hours ka nag-average per day, ilan yung focus time. Nakikita din yung core work. Nadidetect niya rin kung nag-visit ka ba ng mga websites na hindi sa related sa work. So please be mindful of that kasi nakikita yan ng client. Take careful lang, promise. Ito yung HubSpot. Ayan. Hubstaff. Ito yung tsura niya. Sa account mo, once makalagin ka, bibigyan ka ng projects dito. And then, kung ano yung gagawin mong task, yun yung i-play mo na tracker. So, yun. Next, ito yung Clockify. Ito, ginamit ko to sa, yung na-mention ko kanina about working on a client na may pinagawa outside our scope. So, dito ka na siya trinak sa Clockify on a hourly basis na. Ayan, yan siya. Ito yung online jobs, online jobs PH na tracker, ang tawag niya is Timeproof. Ibig sabihin nito, ito itsura niya, oh. Mag-start ka lang ng task and then matatrack na ni client pati yung screenshots ng screen mo. Mind you, I think lahat, kung naka-dual monitor ka man, 2 monitor yung nai-screenshot. So, please be mindful na baka nag-YouTube ka lang sa isang screen, might as well consider not doing that. Okay? Ito din yung tsura ng Upwork. Ayan, nakita ko lang to sa website nila.